Motan M350P7 electric tricycle 2018 design fit for Fivet woman is 6'6", and it can carry adults weighing close to 350 pounds, making it an ideal option for larger riders. Oversized rear basket cargo is perfect for picnics, storing your groceries, and shopping duties, or giving your favorite pet a ride. Make your trips more convenient. The front basket gives you more places to put more items, and you can more easily take out items from the front basket while riding, making your trip more perfect. With the stability and safety of having a 3-wheels, durable 6061 aluminum alloy frame, suspension fork cushions the ride when you encounter bumps. The 750W motor has excellent power to reach speeds up to 23 mph, and with a single charge of the battery the bike can run up to 40 to 55 miles using level 1 pedal assist. Note, due to the controllability of electric trike is stronger than the normal electric bike. Please test the bike in the secure room, garden, or square for 2 hours before ready it on the road, pavement, hills, and be checked. The Emojo Fat Tire electric trike is a game changer. This newly designed tricycle can be used everywhere on city streets, light trails, sandy beaches, and even the golf course. It comes with a robust 500W front hub motor, paired with a powerful 48V15Ah battery, which can ride up to 45 miles on a single charge. And because the lithium battery pack is mounted directly behind the seat post, it is easy to detach for remote charging. Specifications: motor type, 500W front hub DC brushless electric trike motor. Motor power rating, 48V. Drive modes, 5 levels pedal assist, PA, and class 2 thumb throttle. Battery range, 45 miles per charge. 4 to 6 hours charge time. Battery rating, 48V15Ah battery W lithium ion cells. Transmission, single speed. Suspension, front suspension fork. Handlebar, swept back W adjustable stem and ergonomic grips. Saddle, comfort gel saddle. Brakes, front and rear Tektro mechanical disc brakes W motor cutoff. Front tire, 4x24 Kenda Crusade Sport puncture resistant fat tire. Rear tires, 4x20 Kenda Crusade Sport puncture resistant fat tires. Dimensions, 78.5 L x 29.8 W x 47.6 H. Width between two rear wheels, approx 33. Frame material, heavy-duty rigid aluminum alloy. Vehicle weight, 70-pound W battery. Carrying capacity 320 pounds. Accessories, front and rear welded baskets, backlit LCD display screen, integrated headlight, front and rear fenders. Blast into the future with the Power Rider 360, the all-new, electric-powered three-wheeler from Razor. With the push of a button, you're off, no pedaling required. Race at speeds up to 9 mph, cut full 360-degree spins, slide, even drift on Power Rider 360's high-performance dual-inclined rear caster wheels. Features a chain-driven motor, with push-button throttle, up to 40 minutes of continuous use, front, hand-operated braking system, welded steel frame with moto-style double-crown fork design. High-impact pneumatic front wheel, rear, dual-incline casters for drifting and spinning action, rubber grips, and folding footpegs. Also includes a 12V sealed lead-acid rechargeable battery system with charger. 12-hour battery charge time. Recommended for ages 8 and older, and will support a rider up to 120 pounds. The buyer and rider of the Power Rider 360 are responsible for knowing and obeying all local, state, and federal regulations regarding the riding and use of all Razor electric vehicles and scooters. Addmotor new design M360 electric trike is perfect for the rider that need to haul big loads, or for extra support when it is difficult to balance. fitting for 5'6", and it can carry adult weighing close to 350 pounds. In the rear rack you can carry close to 100 lbs what you want. Superiority equipped with a Bafang 750W brushless motor and 14.5Ah lithium-ion battery by Panasonic. The Motan M360 has the power and capabilities to carry you on any adventures within a 4 hours charge. Practicality. Like our previous trikes, the M360 also has a large rear basket for carrying items. The combination of a 750W motor and a 14.5Ah battery will easily carry any groceries home. Stability. The M360 boasts a longer frame than our other Addmotors Trike. The increased length allows the riders to have better control and handling throughout the ride. Features: electronics, motor, Bafang 48V 750W front brushless hub motor. Battery, Panasonic 48V 14.5Ah cells battery. Display, Addmotor 5-inch LCD display. Controller, Addmotor 25A controller. Throttle, variable speed control 1/2 twist throttle. Headlight, powered by main battery and controlled by display. Wiring, water-resistant connectors and wiring harness. Mechanics. Frame, 7075 aluminum alloy frame. Suspense front fork, Adshock steel fork. Brake lever, Tektro L555 RTL 550 RS. Rotors, Tektro MD 300 180mm front Chanfeng 2 Pix 160mm rear. Chain, KMC rust-resistant chain. Tires, Kenda 20x4.0 fat tires. Chain puller, Shimano 7-speed Altus M310. Horn, sensitive front horn. Fender, front fender. Rack, metal large capacity rear rack. Data. Charging time, 4 to 5 hours. Battery, rated for 800 charge cycles. NW, GW, 86 pounds 126 pounds. Max. Load capacity, bike capacity 350 pounds plus rear rack capacity 100 lbs. Range, 35 to 45 miles with PA1 sizing. Length, 73. Width, 31. Height, 43. 3Score is a powerful tricycle that allows you to move on any surface. With a manual system of pedaling in combination with a 750W motor make 3Score Trike the perfect companion for any off-road adventure. The fat tires 4 inches wide with a low profile prepares you for both on-road and off-road use, and with 24 front wheel rolls on anything in your way, and the rear 20x4.0. Wheels lower your center of gravity for stability and security. The front and rear compartment have more than enough space to store what you need, and if you want some privacy or protection with your cargo you can use the big rear basket with dry bank. The large seat, double suspension, and big fat tires give you the comfort for a pleasant trip whatever your destination is. The color screen allows you to measure your performance, your speed and travel. In combination with safety turn lights and electric horn makes all these accessories completely reachable from your handlebar. Suppose that today you want to pedal hard and burn a bunch of calories, we have you covered. The Shimano 7-speed gearbox system allows to adapt the trike to any of your trip requirements, no matter if you need to go up in the hard hills or go faster on ground level. The LG battery 48V 17.4Ah allows a range of travel of 40 miles and a charging time of 5 hours. The maximum speed is 30 mph.
Backed by over 120 years of cycling experience on the road and on the trail, Schwinn builds the bikes you were born to ride. Tricycles aren't just for kids. This 26-inch Meridian full-size tricycle is an urban hauling dream, perfect for transporting gear and tackling short rides to the farmer's market on paved surfaces. Its full-size alloy frame features a low step-through clearance for easy mounting. 3 wheels make sure the load stays balanced, while a single-speed design keeps the ride simple. front and rear handbrakes combine to provide reliable stopping power. The Meridian rolls on smooth tires with alloy rims featuring stainless steel spokes, a padded spring cruiser saddle, an adjustable seat post, and upright handlebars offer total comfort and visibility. The wire basket is great for carrying groceries, books, picnic supplies, beach chairs, and more. There's even a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn.
Happybuy 24-inch adult tricycle Series 7-speed 3-wheel bike adult tricycle. Family tricycle. The 3-wheels tricycle with ultra-large capacity foldable basket convenient for shopping, recreation or exercise. The basket can hold enough things as you like. Sturdy frame made of high-quality iron can bear loads 300 lbs. 24-inch wheel just nice for riding, suitable for adults' safety and comfort. Easy riding alloy rims with stainless steel spokes, and smooth riding tires, upright handlebars, and comfortable cruiser saddle. Variable speed, easy to adjust gears when driving on roads with different gradients. Soft saddle assembly and tuning required. Comfortably for you enjoy riding around town, the beach, or shopping around. Sturdy construction. Made of high-quality iron, and it can support rider and cargo combined weight up to 350 pounds. Besides practicality, the 3-wheel design also provides extra stability while riding. Variable speed. Easy to adjust gears when driving on roads with different gradients, make you more labor-saving and comfortable. Full wrap fenders. Equipped with stylish full-wrap fenders, it will make your bicycle clean and dry to the maximum extent. Large capacity basket. The tricycle has a large rear basket, which are convenient for shopping and carrying enough things as you want. Folding basket is also perfect for picnics or storing groceries. Soft padded seat. An extra large padded seat with springs is designed to cushion your ride. This large soft saddle is used for better riding experience. Colorful frame. In blue, yellow, black, or white, this adult Happybuy tricycle is a sweet show-stopping ride.